Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to turn on your Zoom H5 device. Once it's loaded up, it's gonna be very simple. This is so simple, I'm surprised I didn't figure it out a lot sooner. You're gonna go into the menu option and you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says USB. Once you click on USB, you're gonna go to audio interface, then you're gonna go to stereo, and you go all the way to the bottom to where it says iPad. Now this is what it's gonna look like. This is pretty much what your audio is gonna look like. You're gonna hit menu to go back briefly, and you're gonna go to in and out, and you're gonna scroll to the bottom to where it says direct monitor. You click on that and you make sure it's on. After that, you can just click menu twice to go back to the main menu. After that, you're gonna need a couple of cables in order to connect your iPhone directly to your Zoom H5. In this case, you're gonna get this white cable that I got from the Apple store. It's a iPhone connector to USB, which you're gonna need in order to connect the other cable, which is the one that the Zoom pretty much comes with. It's the micro USB to USB. You're gonna connect those together and you're just gonna plug that into your phone. Now this is very important, and this is something that I feel gets left out a lot. Once you connect these together, all you have to do is go to video on your iPhone. When you go to video on your iPhone and you hit record, you're only gonna hit record on the iPhone itself. You don't have to worry about hitting record on the Zoom device because it's not gonna make a difference. The audio is gonna automatically be transferred over to your iPhone. I personally had trouble with this in the beginning because I was trying to hit record on both devices, and that's not the way it works. After that, you can use the pop filter that comes with the device itself. It helps with the P's and S's, all your plosives. It blocks out a lot of the ambient noises around you. So use one of these, I recommend personally, when you're using it. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you how it sounds on a regular iPhone video, and I'll show you how it sounds with just with this device connected. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is pretty much how it'll sound once you have the mic connected to your iPhone via iPhone cable to USB, then USB to mini USB into your H5 Zoom device. And this will actually work based off of whatever iPhone you have. It doesn't really matter which one you have because they're pretty much utilized the same way. Well, rather the iPhone's 6s and on, because they're the ones that require this actual connection. But yeah, this is how it'll actually end up sounding. So if you're digging that, that's pretty cool. All you have to do is hit record on the iPhone itself. You don't have to hit record on your audio recording device, which is the H Zoom 5 in this case. So if you like the way this sounds, I'm gonna play right now how it would sound otherwise without it. And if you don't have anything connected, this is pretty much how it'll sound. Now granted, I'm in a quiet room, so you'll hear the audio just fine, but there's actually a distinct difference, especially if you're in outdoor areas or you're in an area where there's a lot of people. Getting good audio quality on your iPhone is actually very possible, especially if you're on the road a lot and you're using a digital recorder audio device like the Zoom H5, which sounds pretty damn cool. So now you see the difference. Oh, one more thing. Make sure you turn it off. You go to exit and you want to make sure you disconnect it, because if you don't disconnect it before you unplug it, you will mess up the audio for your video. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this. Please feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, do the damn thing. You're all awesome. Don't ever let anyone tell you different. Peace.